Hi, folks. Wow. Hey, it's Sunday. Well, yeah. You ready for this? We're all going to be on it. All of us. And we're going to be on it for several days. Oh, yeah. Here we go. Wow. Okay. Tighten up your seatbelt. Drink lots of fluids, lots of water. Wow. Because this is where we're going to be for the next few days. Because this is the roller coaster ride in solar flares ranging from low M1 to high M9 to X-class flares, including 2 X1.2 this day so far, kids. So strap on tight. From region 3663, as you can see, many Cs, lots of M-class flares. And so far today, next point 2, and then almost 6 hours later, another correction, X1.2, and another X1.2, followed by maybe 8 to 12 M-class flares over the past couple of days. Let's go take a look. So our region, 3663, is up here. We have another active region coming in behind it, but let's pay attention to this one. And I also see what could be the possible filament eruption. Maybe. Developing. Now let's not forget we already have an inbound coronal mass ejection from, it doesn't matter where it came from. The estimated time of arrival is about 1800 UTC time, and it will peak at approximately 2100 UTC time, which means that could be an error, but minus 5 hours or so. I'm used to doing my calculation from the west coast of North America. In any event, starting early this afternoon will be our first impact. It will continue to here. So that'll be a heads up for Mexico, Central America. Folks, remember, from the last storm, the last G3 strong geomagnetic storm, the point of initial impact was just south of Cabo Verde. That's where it started. Right here is where we had the 750 kilometer deep magnitude 7.5 earthquake. So we will be on watch everywhere from Caribbean to off the coast of Mexico. It does not happen right away, if it does. It takes time for the highly charged particles to penetrate the crust and initiate a response. Therefore, anywhere from 12 to 72 hours afterwards, 75% chance of an earthquake. So here's the last 7 days of flaring, and as you can see, we are building up. Let's go to the past 3 days. Now, as Mark so kindly points out, our flaring intensifies as it comes to the west limb side of the sun. Therefore, we can expect some larger flaring. Unfortunately, the coronal graphs, which measures if there's been any coronal mass ejections, have been down for the past 2 to 3 days. Therefore, I do not expect any modeling of how many coronal mass ejections may have been launched from these many flares. There you have it, folks. You ready for the ride? A freight train is going to come barreling through our planet. Like I just said, coronal graphs have been down. So we don't know how many CMEs are going to be coming our way. Nevertheless, it is a release of a substantial amount of energy from the sun. The only way we're really going to know is, one, how much of an auroral display we receive. Two, how we humans and animals are going to be handling it. Sudden changes in weather events are associated with geomagnetic storms. And 4, earthquakes. We only have one modeling to go with so far, and that is the one that's expected to hit us in just a few hours. That's it for now.